you know, we are here. Early bird gets the worm. How to get my coffee?
I think you're in a coffee too. You doing a chugging contest? You can drink the fastest?
I mean, I already drank
Oh,
one,
no,
but
you already
we'll
drank.
see how this goes.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Oh gosh, it's just so strong.
much.
I love coffee so much.
I hate coffee.
What'd you say?
We don't drink coffee.
More people drink coffee than don't drink coffee.
This is our hypothesis test. For our null hypothesis, we have P equals 0.5, which is the proportion of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee is equal to the proportion of upperclassmen who don't drink coffee. For our alternative hypothesis, we have P is greater than 0.5, where the proportion of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee is greater than the proportion of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who don't drink coffee. And our P is the proportion of HRHS upperclassmen who drink coffee, and our N is 55 upperclassmen. So for our conditions, we satisfied the simple random sample condition because we randomly selected 2 upperclassmen classes using a random number generator. And for our independent condition, we have that the population is greater than or equal to 10N, and our N is 55. So we are confident that there are more than 550 upperclassmen in Hickory Ridge High School. And then lastly, our normal condition, we have that NP is greater than or equal to 10, and N times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. And as you can see here, those conditions are also met. So for our test, we did a 1 proportion z-test, and our p-hat value that we used was 0.5091, and we used alpha 0.05. And then after calculating z, we found that it was 0.1348, and our p-value was 0.448. So with such a high p-value, because p equals 0.4483 and it's greater than our alpha value, which is 0.05, we failed to reject the null hypothesis that the number of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee is equal to the number of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who don't drink coffee. And we failed to find evidence to support the alternative hypothesis that the number of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee is greater than the number of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who don't drink coffee. This is our confidence interval. So our population was all Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen. Our P was the proportion of Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee, and our p-hat value equaled 0.5091. And N again is equal to 55 HRHS upperclassmen. And as I said in the hypothesis test, all the conditions were met, and we performed a 1 proportion confidence interval where the confidence level was 95%. And so our formula for that is p-hat plus or minus our critical value times the square root of p-hat times 1 minus p-hat over n. And when we calculated it, our p-hat value was 0.5091 plus or minus our critical value for 95% is 1.96, and we multiplied that times all of that stuff. And we ended up getting the confidence interval of 0.37697 to 0.64121. And in conclusion, we are 95% confident that the true proportion of all Hickory Ridge High School upperclassmen who drink coffee will fall between 0.37697 and 0.64121.
Well, that didn't solve anything. Hot or iced coffee?
Hot.